Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be flying the 737-800 KLM to London Heathrow in bad weather, which is like large cell thunderstorms, and I just put like this with quite a bit of wind shear. We've got headwind coming towards us too, and yeah, these are the settings I'm going to use. Just going to turn that to like 8 degrees. Why not? Visibility down to like 15. Alright. 10 nautical mile. This is much harder than I anticipated. Right, let's do all the settings. We'll just do this manually. It's IFR, so all these on, or APU accidentally touched that.
Positive rate.
Oh, we're climbing again. Where's the wipers? That maxed out. Let's put the gear down now. I indicated the airspeed is 230. That's the headwind, so we're probably going about, I say we're going about 180. Flaps. 3 greens, looking good. Airspeed, a little bit more power. Landing announcement. Yeah, it's just landing. Flaps. Get this done with. I know it's not professional, but you know. Alright. Got master caution warning for no reason. What's that sound? Oh look, 160 knots. I think that's our real airspeed. Flaps. Let's descend. We need to descend. Come on. Wipers, do something. Right. Thrust. Flaps. Landing, we're a bit high. Spoilers. Flaps.
1,000.
There. Rain starting to clear. Forgot a bit of wind chill, I think. Alright. Thrust. Spoilers unarmed. Looking good. Spoilers. Ready. Auto braking max. Rain's cleared off here, that's good. We're way too high. We've got 4 rides. We're going to descend a little bit. We've got wind shear anyway, but we're making this landing. Nothing's stopping us.
400.
Our landing line's starting to clear up. We're not going to be ending up like British Midlands.
300.
There, 2 lost engines. Looking good. 158 knots. Could get wind shear anytime soon.
100.
100. Here comes the wind shear, I think.
50. 40. 30.
Yep.
20.
There's a fly on my head.
10.
Oh, that was a bounce and a half. Come on. Spoilers. Come on, bounce again. First thrust. Centre line. Max braking.
$80 knots.
80 knots. First thrust. Right, let's quickly get off the runway. Oh, you know, it's just to take off. Laps.
80 knots.
80 knots. Right, V1, definitely.
400.
That's quite good.
One.
Replay mode. Let's have a look at this landing. Whoa, where's a good view?
1,000.
This is our approach. That was quite good. I'm proud of that. Thanks for watching this video. See you again next time. Bye bye.